this guy was having a fever. He hasn't had a fever in a long time, but yeah, people say that when children go to the childcare center, they get kind of stressed or like, yeah, they get sick easily. So that's part and parcel of life. Today I'm going to go buy an electrical case and a lot of other random stuff in my house and home renovation. So come with me. So you see how this thing pops out. It fits this one nicely. Maybe that's designed for this. Well, that's a store I would recommend you to buy any hardware item. It's called Hardware City. There's one at Choa Chu Kang and one at Pioneer. So both Choa Chu Kang and Pioneer, there's this Hardware City where you can use GrabPay and Pay as well. So that's what I like. Yeah, so this is my renovation tip. Go to the hardware store or your local hardware store. Some things you can buy from Lazada, but anything like tools and screws and those hardware items you can buy from the hardware store. If not electronics like LED lights and stuff, you can buy from Lazada. They're quite cheap too. Okay, I'm sweaty. Let's go home. I think the Xiaomi power switch, you need to install it into this angle case because that's the only one that fits. Okay, so now trying to connect it on the Xiaomi app here. So this switch is under power switch and it's over here. So let me try to install this. Let's follow the instructions on the app. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds. Well, that's easy. That's done. So after pressing 5 seconds, it blinked blue for 5 seconds and then it connected by itself. So this switch is in the master bedroom. Yeah, I can call it a power outlet. Okay, don't have to read the instructions. Here it is. So this is how the power outlet will look like in the app. I can turn it on. The blue light will turn on here. When the switch is on, the blue light will be on over there. And when you turn it off, the blue light will turn off. Okay, this is pretty much the same automation rules as the other Xiaomi products where you can set a timer. But this is unique. This has a countdown. How does countdown work? Okay, so if you set a countdown, it will turn on in an hour. Or let me see if the switch is on and I set a countdown. I don't know, maybe you turn off in 1 hour? Not really sure. Okay. I've just set up the Xiaomi power switch. So I'll test it out and then I'll see whether how it integrates into my smart home. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Catch you next time.